Oh my God, is this my acceptance to Hogwarts?
No, it's a letter asking you to stop throwing rocks at my nest. You hit one of my kids, and now he can't fly right.
Well, fine, then I'll just throw rocks at the Hornets. He told me to do it! And thus began the 1,000-year war between the avians and the insects. It was a brutal war. It was a bitter war. And most importantly, it was a visually spectacular war.
Attack!
Sorry, I'm being told this would be very expensive to animate, so instead here's some stock footage of an old plane trying to take off. They didn't have enough wings.